Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Reservation for municipal election stuck, reservation pending as it is not happening as per desire of ruling party members. Crime branch quizzes Margaon chairperson Arthur and Zaika case for 2 hours. Arthur quizzed over Digambar's RTI letter fiasco. Perne police knew of Dhirio, issued notices to bull owners on Saturday. Dhirio took place on Sunday. CM says nothing alarming. Passenger bus overturns at Pajifond Margaon. Many passengers sustain minor injuries. Motorcyclist critical. And after long time, e-auction of iron ore gets favourable response. Nearly 4,17,000 tonnes of iron ore auctioned. And now the news in detail. Reservation for municipal election is stuck. Reservation is pending as it is not happening as per the desire of ruling party members. In Margaon, there is pressure not to reserve ward number 1 and 10 for women. These wards have never been reserved in last 4 elections. In most of the municipalities like Perne, Valpai, Kepe, Vasco and Murgaon, the reservation is pending because of similar reasons. However, reservation is almost finalized in Mapsa, Bicholi, Kunkale, Kudzare, Sange and Kankona. The reservation is expected by Wednesday.
Whether it is Congress or BJP, both want ward delimitation and reservation as per their desire. It is a similar situation for municipal election of 11 wards in Goa, which is scheduled for 25th of October. Code of conduct will come in force from 25th September. The reservations are pending as the Urban Development Minister and Deputy CM is out of station. These are also some of the reasons why it is pending. Politicians' desires not fitting in rules. Fatorda 1 and 11 ward in Madgaon is pending. Last 4 years, these wards were not reserved for women. Demand not to reserve these wards for women. In Perne, reservation pending due to 1 ward. In Kepe, dispute over reservation of ST wards. And in Madgaon, dispute over SC ward reservation. The reservation is almost finalized in Mapsa, Bichole, Kurtsade, Sange and Kankon. OBC reservation has been increased from 19.5% to 27%. Similarly, wards of each municipality have been increased. Both these changes have affected the reservation formula. Moreover, Francis D'Souza is out of station. Now, reservation is expected at least by Wednesday evening. Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar for Prudent.
Crime branch quizzed chairperson of Margaon, Arthur De Silva, today morning. He was quizzed in Zaika bribery case over Digambar Kamat's RTI letter fiasco as Arthur acted as a mediator. Meanwhile, High Court will hear crime branch's plea challenging anticipatory bail granted to Digambar Kamat on Wednesday.
Crime branch quizzed Margaon chairperson Arthur De Silva for nearly 2 hours in Jaika bribery case. He said Madgaon MLA Digambar Kamat gave him authority letter to collect some documents from Panji. He also cleared that Digambar Kamat had asked him to add 1 line in the authority letter and he added.
फायले बाबा हांवें हाडून ना हांवें एज वन ह्युमॅनिटेरियन ग्रावंड ताका फकत तें RTI इन्फॉर्मेशन हाडून दिलें इतलेंच. तेंय म्हाका हांव पणजी येता तेन्ना ताका तें दिवन करून दिलां. आमगे कितलो जाला एक्स चीफ मिनिस्टर आनी मडगांवचो लोकल MLA तो.
ऑथॉरिटी लेटर तेणे दिल्ले सायन करून.
हय 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 ऑथॉरिटी. हय तेणे दिनासतना कशें दितले डिपार्टमेंटनी.
ऑथॉरिटी लेटरान कितें गफला आसा?
गफला ऑथॉरिटी लेटरान गफला म्हणटा तें खंयच ना, फकत तेणें म्हाका तें लेटर दिल्लें. थंय म्हाजी एक मातशें ताणें म्हाका एक फोनाचेर एक एड करपा लायली एक लायन. ती म्हाकाय आतां उगडास जायना. एक आनीक एक सेंटेन्स एड करपा लायली दॅट आय हॅड एडेड. पूण ताणें तें क्लॅरिफाय केलें की आपल्यान सांगलेलें म्हणटा एड करप.
पूण कामत डिनाय करता तें?
ना ना तें केलें घेतला ताणें सांगलां न्ही आपल्यान दिल्लें. तो आनी कसो डिनाय करपाक शकता.
Meanwhile, High Court will hear Crime Branch plea challenging anticipatory bail granted to Digambar Kamath on Wednesday. Mahesh Ghadi with Chetan Gawas for Prudent.
Perne police were aware of Dhirio being planned in Harmal a day prior on Saturday. They had issued notices to 6 fighter bull owners but did not act when the fights were on. The notices issued by Perne police have revealed the shocking fact. Shockingly, the FIR has been registered against the unknown. FIR was registered 24 hours after Prudent's expose. When questioned CM Parsekar, he said nothing alarming about holding Dhirio.
Perne police were aware of the bullfights. They issued notices to the fighter bull owners on Saturday against organizing any illegal Dhirio.
Notice was issued to Suresh Parab, Madan Vaingankar, Samir Vaingankar, Chandu Kepkar and Vijay Kurgaukar.
But while the actual Dhirio was on for almost 4 hours in the presence of crowd of almost 4,000, not a single policeman turned up at the scene. 20 bulls fought for almost 4 hours around the premises of Chief Minister's Harmal Panchakroshi school. The bulls were bleeding. Prudent had exposed it all. This is how CM reacted to Dhirio issue.
तुम्ही काही जणांनी स्कुलाच्या कॅम्पसान म्हटले, आम्ही चौकशी केली, स्कुलाच्या कॅम्पसान नाही त्यो.
स्कुलाच्या कॅम्पसान लोक रावन पळयताले.
आता कोण खंय रावतलो, ताका कोण कितें करतलो. स्कुलाच्या कॅम्पसान न्ही, थंय उंचार बिल्डींग आमची एकच आसा थंय, त्यामुळे ताचेर कोणी चढून पळयताले दिसता.
कितें एक्शन
कसली एक्शन
कायद्यान बॅन सुप्रीम कोर्टान बॅन हाडला.
अरे गोरवांक सोडटा थंय धिरी लागना, कोण तरी राखणो जर नसत जाल्यार बैल एकामेकाचेर रागान वतात, लागता धिऱ्यो मरे. म्हणलें कितें आहा तें. आतां बैलांक केल्ल्यो, बैलांच्या मालकांक केल्ल्यो नोटिसीस ते हांव जाणा.
पण हितून कितें सिरियस एक्शन घेवपा सारकी आसा.
हां,
Activist group Gen Next has slammed the Chief Minister Parsekar for his incapability as a Home Minister.
लॉ अँड ऑर्डर गोंयांत कोलॅप्स जाला आणि पुलीस खातें म्हणटाय मुख्यमंत्र्याच्या आणि भारतीय जनता पार्टीच्या सरकाराच्या हाता सकल एक बावले जाल्ले आसा. सुप्रीम कोर्टाची बंदी सुद्धा आसून मुख्यमंत्र्याच्या मतदारसंघात धिऱ्यो जावप, 20 परत चढ बैल आणि जवळजवळ 5 ते 6 हजार लोक आणि जावप मुख्यमंत्र्याच्या स्वतःच्या स्कुलाच्या किंवा त्याच्या कॉलेज ज्या ताच्या सरभोंवतणीक जावप, हातून आनी महत्व आसा. अननोन लोकां विरुद्ध कारवाय करून कांयच जावपाचें ना, FIR रजिस्टर करून.
Bureau Report Prudent.
Sant Andre MLA Vishnu Surya Wagh has demanded ban of Sanatan Sanstha in Goa. He says it is a terrorist group. Wagh also suspects involvement of Sanatan Sanstha in murder of Dabolkar and Pansare murders. Wagh has blamed BJP allies and Goa ministers of giving political patronage to Sanatan. He also alleged that couple of ministers are actively patronizing and financing Sanatan Sanstha.
सनातनचे हेडक्वॉर्टर हे गोंयांत आहा, ही आमचे दृश्टीन धोक्याची गजाल. कित्याक तेंचें ऑपरेशन आतां आमकां अशें दिसता की महाराष्ट्र आनी कर्नाटक पुरतें ना. तें जें इन्फॉर्मेशन म्हाका मेळ्ळा त्या प्रमाणे ऑस्ट्रेलिया, सेर्बिया सारक्या देशांनी सुद्दां आज तेंचें हें पातळिल्लें. आनी त्या खातीर म्हाजी बीन डिमांड अशी आसा की गोंयांत सुद्दां ह्या संघटनेचेर बॅन घालचो. दुसरी गोश्ट म्हणजे हिंदू धर्माच्या नांवान वर्णाश्रम वेवस्था बळकट करपाचो विचार हो सनातन संस्था मांडटा आनी त्या खातीर ती सगळ्यांत चड धोकादायक गोश्ट दिसता. आमी अशेंय बीन पळयतात की ह्या सरकारान 2 मंत्री अशे आहा की ते मंत्री बीन तेंची फाटराकड करता. हेच्या पयलीं तेणी केल्ली आहा.
कोण ते मंत्री?
हांव नांव घेवपा सोदिना, लोक सगळे जाणा कोण ते. पूण आतां इतलें सगळें जावन पानसरे आनी कलबर्गी हत्याकांडांत जर तांचो हात आशिल्ल्याचो सहभागी जायत सनातनचो आनी इतलें आसुनूय मंत्री जर तांकां प्रोटेक्ट करता आसत जाल्यार मुख्यमंत्र्यांनी ह्या मंत्र्यांचेर सुद्दां कारवाई करपाक जाय. पूण हें दाखोवन दिवपाक जाय. आमी श्रीराम सेनेचेर बॅन घालो, खरें म्हणजे त्या मुतालिकान अशें कांयच करूं नाशिल्लें. तेणें फक्त भायल्यान गरड घेतली तरी आमी ताका तितल्याचेर बॅन घालो. हांगा येवन हेंच्योर एक्टिविटी चलता जाल्यार हेंचेर कित्याक घालचो न्ही, हो म्हजो प्रश्न.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.